Welcome back to Crafting with Pui Designs Silhouette Studio Edition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put elements into circles, into squares, and all that. This is one of the replica tools, but it's called perpendicular. Yeah, something perpendicular. We'll talk about it. The grab handle, we're going to use the grab handle for it. Okay, let me show you how to do that. First, you create a circle, like a circle. You can put it in any shape, like this circle right here. I'm going to right click and convert it to path. Okay, and I have it here. And then I will create a smaller circle, right click, convert it to path, and then I will fill it with a color. Let's say make it red. Okay, now this is a path, right? And this is a fill. This is a path. I converted it to path. It's a line, it's a path. Okay, let me tell you what I'm doing here is not, it's not rhinestones. It's just an image, SVG, where we have circles around it. Okay, I will select this one and I'll go to my replicate tool and I'll go here. And then it says see perpendicular. I don't know what that is, but I'll use what I can. I'll go to the grab handle, show grab handle. I have this selected, and when I click it, it will get the grab handle. And then I will drag the grab handle to the circle. You see here? And it will copy a lot of circles around the other circle. Okay? And when you go here, you see it has 18 repeats of the circle. And you can add more, like 19, 20, and you can take out more, like decrease the amount. It's up to you how you want it to be. And then you can release the copies. Yeah, I release the copies. And now I will go to my big circle here. The thing that you can do, I will fill this color with another color. Let's say I make it pink. And then I will zoom in because this gives me trouble sometimes. And you see this one here, I will send it to the back. And after I send it to the back, I will be able to grab on the circle. And then I remove the circle and I come back. And then I'll select all this and group them and then fill it again in another color. Okay, fill it. So I have this. Like I said, you can add, you can make the amount of copies you want around the circle. Okay, you can even do it with squares. Let's find the square. Okay, this, not this one. Let's find the square. Let's make it let's say 5 by 5. You can do whatever size you want, a square. And let's say we want some heart around it, some hearts. Convert it to path, and now we're gonna fill it with a color. Let's say blue. And take this out. Okay, and I have it, and I'll go back to here and I'll show the grab handle on it. Okay, and then I will drag it to here. Come on now. You see that? And then you have this. So you have this right here. You see how you can do it um um like so, and then you can release them. And we do the same over here. We send it to the back, and then we grab, oh no, and then we grab the rectangle. Yeah, grab the rectangle out. And then you have this. You can go and adjust them. Adjust them. Let me see. It's pretty nice. It forms the thing here. Okay. You can also do it with a heart. But the other thing is, let's do a smaller one of this really quick, and then I'll show you something. A smaller one, like so. convert it to pad. I think this one needs to be small, like a small SVG like this. Okay, and then I have some, I'll make a copy of this, make a copy, duplicate it really quick, and then I'll make a and then I'll fill it with pink this time. Okay, let's go closer. Okay, now I have this. I go back to my grab handle and drag it. You see that? Let me see if I can add one more, two more. Okay, I think I love it like this. Release the things there, the circles. Come back to it, send it to the back, come back to it and remove it. And after you remove it, you can use this for different things. Okay, you can use it for different purposes. I don't know if you've seen these online here on Etsy. You can use it for different purposes. You can make it cute with a with something in it, with a letter in it. If it's, let's go here and change it. Okay, you can make it super cute. Let me turn this into a SVG too. You see that? Like a monogram. You can use this for different things. So I show you how to use the replicate tool. This is the advanced part. This one here, grab handle. So you can put element around shapes. Okay, you can practice with different shapes and forms and all that. Okay, I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.